Hi guys, so today as you can see there's Surge. I bought the Brawl Pass and now today I'm going to do the Brawl Pass opening as you can see in the title. So before start my opening I want to do some changes like to give these points to Gale. Look, I'll give this one to Gale. Like this one to Gale. This one to Gale. As you can guys see I'm giving points to Gale. This one to Gale as well. Now it's done. Ahead there are 200 more power points. Let me give these to Colt. Colt is ready for max level now. And these 500 power points, let me give it to someone named. Let's give it to. Oh, I'm confused, guys. Yeah, let's give it to Tick. Let's get Tick ready for max level. Tick is also ready for max level, but from 7 to 9. I have 354 coins. So now let's upgrade some of the Gale. Only one upgrade. That's bad, but no problem. I'm going to collect all these rewards. First, let's collect Super Ranger Brock. See guys, I collected the Super Ranger Brock. And let's open Mega Box. 6 items. Wow. You can guys see there's 6 items. I'm getting something. What's this? Modest Coiled Snake Star Power. I got the Coiled Snake Star Power. As you can guys see here. Coiled Snake. Coiled Snake is there. Let's take coins. Let's open this big box. Big box gave us nothing. Take these coins. Let's take this big box. Nothing. Got some token doublers. Got a lot of coins. Let's upgrade more of Gale. I need a little bit of coins. Let's take those. I think so these are not enough. Let's take these coins. For now, let's upgrade Gale for level 7. Look, Gale is ready for level 7. I can get his gadget at any time. Please Supercell, give me something nice for 5 items. Boring. Let's take coins. Another big box. Nothing. Another big box. Still nothing. 200 coins. Oh, a nice little pin for Surge. Another big box. Still nothing. I'm also crying like Surge. Mega box 6. That's nice. 6 items means something. Oh, Mr. P gadget. That's OP. I got his gadget. Max ready for level 8. Let's take this angry pen. I am also angry. I got this much stuff only. Now let's upgrade some brawlers. Oh, not enough. Sorry guys, it's not enough. Now it is enough. So let's upgrade Tara for level 9 for the star powers. I still have a lot of rewards to collect. Big box, nothing. Surge OP pin. Mega box, nothing. No problem guys, Mega box gives us nothing. Big box, nothing. Big box, nothing. I'm very crying right now. Only got 2 stuff. Got these pins. Big box, still nothing. PowerPoint pins, OP pins, search pins, big box. I don't understand why this big box are not giving me anything. Mega box, 5 items, nothing. Nothing nice. Search pins. Let's collect this. Oh no, we got nothing so far. 300 pins and pins. Got nothing. So guys, we only got Mr. P gadget, Modus Coil Snake Star Power and this Gale.
What does this button
Not
do?
Gale's gadget. I needed that gadget. That's a nice gadget. That's bad, but no problem guys. Let's upgrade Pogo for level 9. I hope that I will get his star powers. Oh, I missed one reward. Mecha Paladin Surge. Let's take his. This is the Surge skin. Mecha Paladin Surge. Where is Surge?
Power Surge!
Let's take this. Mecha Paladin Surge here, guys. I'm upset that I didn't got new things. Only 2 things inside this brawl pass and upgraded a lot of brawlers. That's nice. And I got this gadget, Mr. P. Okay guys. So now guys, let's try our star power Coil Snake in Solo Showdown Clash Colosseum. Mortis, Bringer of Doom. This star power. Oh, nice. Got that added extra range on Mortis. There's a crow right here. Let's team up. Oh no, I cannot shoot through walls. Brock, you take those chests. I'll take revenge on this crow. Let's run away. It's not the right time to take the revenge. Oh, Cold killed him. 2 crows in this server both died. That's nice. I think so down there's no crow because I hate crows. Let's go ahead. Oh, it is cold. Let's team up. Oh no. I don't know which place I got. 4th place. Okay. No problem guys, we got 4th place. I know that's bad. This Coiled Stick star power is OP. And that quest. Oh, I need 3 more kills. I think so I should play Surge and get these 3 kills with the Mecha Paladin Surge. Let's take this. So let's go. I know there's someone who will come here. Let's upgrade on this Nida. Nice. 1 kill out of 3. Needed 3 kills. Got 1. Will get 1. Let's upgrade on Primo. Let's kill this Primo. I got 2 kills out of 3. Just need 1. 1 more. Whom should I kill? Should I kill this chap? No. Let's get the max stage level first. Let's get this bow. Got the kill done. Got this one. Upgraded on her. Oh, she is not in the range. If I would have the star power, she would have just died. Let's take this upgrade. Oh no. I have the max upgrade only. Surge, 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 surge. Let's kill her. Let's complete. The quest is complete. The Mecha Paladin Surge is OP. This skin is OP. Got 342 out of 500. Any more quests needed to complete? Oh, I have a very much quest to complete. Okay. I still have 2 brawlers which I need to upgrade to level 9. I will do them. Upgrade. This Gale is level 7. Nice. Let's play with the level 7 Gale. Without the gadget. That's not nice. But okay. Let's go. Surge. Surge. Surge, will you team up? Thank you. Why he killed me? I don't understand. No problem. Gale is OP, but I died. Sorry. I need to get these star powers of Poco or Tara. And Tick is also ready for level 9, but from 7 to 9. That's not good. Got this coiled snake star power, this gadget, got this chromatic dollar surge, and this mega paladin surge skin. Let's take our legendary chance in the shop. It has gone very high, so that's nice. Okay, so guys, this is going to be it for this video. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. Bye.